Jai Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atmiya Green School, Standard 6, subject Maths. So, in the previous video, we have completed the chapter mensuration. Okay, so we will start to revise today. Mensuration. So, first topic is parameter. So, 2 or 3 definition we have seen. Parameter is equal to distance of a closed figure, total distance. Second, parameter is the distance covered along the boundary forming a closed figure when you go round the figure once. Third definition, I have told you that perimeter is equal to sum of all sides, right? Then we study the parameter of different shapes. So, first of all we study the parameter of rectangle. So, what is the formula for parameter of rectangle? 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Second, parameter of square is equal to 4 multiplied by side. Third, parameter of equilateral triangle. So, it is 3 into side. If it is parameter of triangle, then it is equal to sum of all side. Next, parameter of a regular polygon is equal to number of side multiplied by side. Next thing, what is regular polygon? So, polygon having all side equal is called regular polygon. Clear everyone? So, now we will discuss about the example solved on page number 208 and 209. Open the book beta everyone. So, let us start to revising the examples on page number 208 and 209. So, let us see the first example. Shabana wants to put a lace border around all around rectangular table cover 3 meter long and 2 meter wide. Find the length of lace required by Shabana. Now, the lace required means the total distance covered by lace. The total distance covered by lace means perimeter of that cloth. Okay, the perimeter of that cloth means perimeter of table. Okay, so what is the length of rectangular table cover? 3 meter. What is the breadth of rectangular table cover? 2 meter. Sorry. Now, she want to cover, that means we have to find out the perimeter. So, it is equal to 2 multiplied by length into breadth. So, is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 we get 5. 2 5s are 10. It is 10 meter. So, the length of lace is 10 meter. Now, next. So, next example is same, just we have to calculate the area of the park. Okay, fine, we will discuss. An athlete takes 10 rounds of a rectangular park, 50 meter long and I think it is 25 meter wide. Find the total distance covered by him. First of all, we calculate the perimeter of a rectangular park. The length of rectangular park is 50. The breadth of rectangular park is 25 meter. Okay. Now, the total distance covered by an athlete in one round. Okay. When athlete completes its one round, that means he covers total distance around the park. That means it is the parameter of rectangle. So, what is the formula for parameter of rectangular? Parameter of rectangular park? It is 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. So, it is equal to 2 multiplied by 50 plus 25, that we get 2 multiplied by 75, that is complete round. Now, he has not completed only one round. How many rounds he completed? He completed 10 rounds. That is why we have to multiply by 10. So, 10 multiplied by 150, we get 1500 meter. Clear? Now, next. So, here we have to also calculate perimeter. So, we will take the next example. So, this one, fourth example, it is just like athlete. Okay. First, we have to calculate the parameter and we have to multiply by 3 because it has 3 rounds. Okay. So, let us see the fifth example. See, find the cost of fencing of a regular park having 250-meter length and 175-meter breadth at the rate of rupees 12 per meter. So, first of all, we have to calculate the fencing distance. Okay, so for calculating it, we have to find out the perimeter. So, the length of rectangular park is equal to 250 meter. The breadth of rectangular park is 175 meter. To calculate the cost of fencing, first of all we have to calculate the perimeter of rectangle. It is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Okay. So, 2 multiplied by 250 plus 175. So, how will you get? It is 425. Okay. So, when we multiply 2 multiplied by 425, what we will get here? 850 meter. Okay. It is the perimeter of rectangle. Get it? Now, we have to calculate the cost of fencing. So, it is equal to 12 multiplied by 850. When we multiply 850 by 12, we get 10,200. Clear everyone? Okay, now next. So, first of all we see what is a regular polygon. So, figure having equal length, okay, and angles equal, it is called the regular closure figure. Fine. So, in regular closure figure, best example is equilateral triangle. So, next thing, sixth example is just like athlete. Okay, so I will not discuss it. Now it's about the polygon. So let's discuss it. Find the perimeter of regular pentagon with each side measuring 3 centimeter. First of all, we have to calculate the perimeter. Second thing, it is a regular. So can anyone tell me what is means by regular? Regular means its each side is equal, and pentagon means pentagon means 5. Okay, so it is 5 equal sided polygon. Okay, so what will be the formula? The perimeter of regular pentagon is equal to 5 multiplied by side. So side is given here 3. So 5 multiplied by 3 we get 15 centimeter. Okay. Now in the ninth example, perimeter is given and you have to calculate the side. It is same as above. So let's start discussing the exercise 10.1. So these are the easiest figures. Okay. So let's talk about these figures. Okay. So I will discuss only of the F figure. Okay, it is not a geometrical figure. So how can we calculate perimeter of it? So we can take the definition of perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. Next thing, it is made up of line segments. So it is very easy for us. So just start from any one point. You can start from here, otherwise you can start from here. Okay. So dot here and just add all the side with careful and by series wise. Okay. I am just moving cursor because I want to tell you how you have to take the lengths. Okay. Okay. Don't take once again. Fine. I will now just tell you how to take the lengths. I will not add. Okay. So see here, 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Clear everyone?